This video explains about the crease and two-sided trimmer and its maintenance procedure for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 series printers. The optional crease and two-sided trimmer provides crease capabilities and trimming on two sides of the output. It can trim 6 to 25 millimeters, 0.24 to 0.99 inches, from the top and bottom of prints or booklets to produce an even edge. When paired with a square fold trimmer, all sides of booklets get trimmed except the binding, which enables full bleed booklets. When the trimmer waste container nears a full condition, a status indicator illuminates on the top of the crease and two-sided trimmer. You can empty the waste container before it reaches a full condition, and while the printer is printing. To empty the trimmer waste container, open the lower door of the crease and two-sided trimmer, pull the waste container out. Discard all waste. To remove all waste and debris beneath the frame, use the cleaning rod to clean debris from inside the trimmer. Return the cleaning rod to the original position inside the lower door. Reinsert the waste container and push it in until it stops. Close the lower door. For more information, refer to the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, C9281 series printers user guide.